Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
Britain's unemployment rate unexpectedly rose and vacancies fell for a fifth report in a row as employers worried about the outlook for the economy, official data showed, ahead of a tough government budget plan later this week. Crypto lender BlockFi is preparing a potential bankruptcy filing because of its significant exposure to bankrupt crypto exchange FTX, the Wall Street Journal reported. The European Central Bank sees an increased likelihood of a recession in the 19 countries that use the euro currency, warning that soaring energy prices and high inflation fed by Russia's war in Ukraine have raised risks for bank losses and turmoil on financial markets. The euro gained 0.3% against the dollar in the last session. The ROC's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair dove 2.2% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The gold-dollar pair fell 0.3% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The dollar-yen pair gained 0.3% in the last session. According to the stochastic indicator, we are in an oversold market. The Dutch unemployment rate will be released at 0530 GMT. Japan's National Consumer Price Index at 2330 GMT. The Eurozone's Harmonized Index of Consumer Prices at 1000 hours GMT. Australia's unemployment rate will be released at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT. The US housing starts at 1330 GMT. Australia's employment change at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.